Test. Test. 1, 2. Test. Okay. This is a test of the Wrestle Guy Football Channel system. Had this been an actual recording, we would be in the playoffs right now. That was stupid. Anyways, practice with Pittsburgh against Kansas City. Might as well get some practice for the playoffs. Really? I can't even hit the right button today. It's gonna be a fun day. Come on, give me the toss. Give me the toss. Okay, that works. Let's see if this sound actually records. Ooh, excuse me, I burped it. I burped it. Get me if you can. Ah! Ooh, 14-yard return, that's it. Ouch. For Rod Woodson, that's not much. Oh, nice catch. Get off me. Ow. Took all those guys to bring him down. This is going to be a tough offense to defend against the Chiefs. But I think they can take the Chargers. If only I could get yards like that in the regular season. Get away from me! Hoorah! Got it. Touchdown Steelers. Nice. I know I made that look a little too easy, but this is preseason. This is not regular season. And it's not going to be that easy to score against the Chiefs. Okay. This is just a test. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to see if this had any sound to it. Thanks for watching. And that's Magic saying hi. Say hi, Magic. He said no.